Semaphore method of visual signaling, usually by means or flags or lights. Before the invention of the telegraph, semaphore signaling from high towers was used to transmit messages between distant points. One such system was developed by Claude Chappe in France in 1794. Employing a set of arms that pivoted on a post, the arms were mounted on towers spaced 5 to 10 miles apart. Messages were read by telescopic sightings. Modern semaphores included movable arms, a row of lighting simulating arms displayed from towers and used to signal railroad trains. Semaphore signaling between sweep, now largely abandoned, was accomplished by a person who held a small flag in each hand and with arms extended moved them to different angles to indicate letters of the alphabet or numbers.